Hey everybody, it's Dave with a quick video. Out in the garden this morning, and boy is it hot. Sweating like crazy, and it's not even 8 o'clock in the morning. However, just a quick tip. I know a lot of people, when they start fertilizing, start adding top dressings, they don't like the blue crystals. They don't feel they're natural. They don't feel since they're synthetic and made in a lab, not quite as good. That's all good. I don't use much of the blue crystals either. It's really more of a matter of cost for me, because here's what I do. I just got done weeding a bed for some late sweet potatoes that I forgot I had slips, and found the slips, and they were growing like crazy in the dark. So we weeded a bed, take all those weeds, we put them in this 5-gallon bucket. Really does not take as many weeds as you think to fill a 5-gallon bucket. A small bed will do it. After that, we're going to fill it completely full of water, which we've already done because I had to hold the camera. And then we're going to put a lid on it. That's all we're going to do. We're going to put that lid on it. We're going to seal that lid tight, and I'm going to let it sit for, probably a couple weeks anyway. I'm going to turn you around. Let it sit for a couple weeks, and it will ferment. And buyer beware, it will reek when you open that bucket back up. It smells like the worst god-awful marsh gas, swamp gas that you've ever smelled in your life. But that water, those weeds, and you can now throw in the compost pile. They'll still break down and degrade, but that precious water, don't spill any on you. Oh God, it stinks. But that water can be mixed and diluted, used similar to like a tea, but just dilute it and use it to water your plants, and it is a fantastic all-around fertilizer. It's got a decent amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in it, because it came right out of the plants that pulled those nutrients right out of your garden. So you're literally just turning around and putting them right back in. And like I said before, then you're going to take the plant matter that's left, which is going to be slimy and brown and disgusting, and just throw it in your compost bin. One tip: I always wear nitrile or latex gloves when I'm using this stuff, because it doesn't burn you or anything, but it stinks. Oh wow. So anyway, that's a quick tip. I got to get back to doing what I'm doing, and I will see you on the next side. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you on the next video.